Rtd Maj Mugisha Muntu okwatira ekigombe kya Antebendero mu kusherera akaruhuko bwa presidenti yarwo muri Didene kuzo mu district ya Kumi okuhamiza abatezi bakaruru okumutora na bwa president. Omwanya ogu abantu bamoreko kwa bebembeza abatwire nibatorana tibabayambire cyango ekibarekire nyuma mu byentunguka.
Ijoda irala tekerana pipuka.
But we are also from the same tribe.
Konyedo ejena nyini tungana nepote kada itapoeteke.
But you know that everybody comes with their own.
Apipilu neja iso kwa piteso.
But the pain they have as interest.
Na so did. Ipalasyo tuku kwa popoto nyonyoto.
We are about to give up on the council.
Osemerone. Konye president eyala mabunera dolo idiso. Konye correctioni ejayi NRM ekokoran NRM unoi. Eyala masora dolo idiso.
Anybody can do to you is to do things that cause you to lose sight of your dream, lose hope, and abandon your dream. When anybody does that to you, basically it's like they have put you on a path to your death because you lose hope.
Hona batezi bakaruru bayitombwitira General Mugisha Muntu abantu bari kubiyo sento muringo gwe kishobobo okubatarukara rwa government kurihirwa bimwe abintu byabe baferirwe konka bakahendera batine bibatungire.
They want life of wealth, riches.
So in all that we do, all of us need to seek for men and women first amongst yourselves who can take leadership positions at councils, at LC3s, at LC5s, at MPs. As long as this country remains the way it is, where the majority of the people who are in politics now are in for themselves, not for people, the problems are not going to end, they're only going to increase.
Bwanyuma Muntu yagumza mu Kumi municipality ayiba mushabo kurwanise nguze tekire mushecho mu ihanga kandi Mugisha Muntu yabashabo kumwesiga abikoreho biru kubashasha.
Because you can retire, literally all the leaders you are saying have abandoned you, all leaders who have frustrated you, including General Museveni. If you are determined on 15th of January and the whole of Uganda is determined, we can retire him on 15th of January and he goes home and rests and the country also rests.
Kuyarga Kumi Muntu yaza Bukedea aho yatera campaign arikacumbara kandi abaye bamushabo kurwanisa uburubwenguzi.
The levels of poverty are frightening everywhere you go. Out of 10 people when you ask, you get a sense that the people who are comfortable, who can cater for their needs, are not more than 2 out of 10.
Oko abebembezi ba antabari mu Angeline Osege bashabira Muntu akaruru omwanya ogu.
Ibala sheba apolora muchon oipuga ya lo Uganda. Apolora muchon opone lisoma eri boro. Epole soswai.
Gasha kwa Edwin Ram.